In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Elementor full width page in WordPress. We'll walk through this together from inside your WordPress dashboard, and by the end, your page content will stretch nicely from edge to edge, giving it that modern full width look. First, log into your WordPress admin area using your usual credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll until you find the Elementor section. Hover your mouse over Elementor and you'll see a few options appear. From those options, choose the editor. This will open up the Elementor dashboard right inside WordPress, where you can manage how your site is designed. At the top right of this Elementor area, you should see an option called Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This takes you into the main Elementor editor, where you can visually adjust your pages and templates. Now we need to locate the main container for the page you want to make full width. In Elementor, most pages are built using containers or sections that hold all your content. Move your mouse over the area of the page where your content is and look carefully near the top of that section. You should see a small icon made up of 6 dots. The 6-dot icon represents the container settings. Hover over that icon and then click it. Once you do, the settings panel on the left side of the screen will update to show the container options. Make sure you're on the Layout tab, which is usually selected by default, but if not, just click on Layout to bring it up. Inside the Layout tab, look for a setting labeled Content Width. This controls how wide the content inside that container can go. Click the drop-down field to the right of Content Width. From the options that appear, choose Full Width. As soon as you select this, you should see your content stretch across the full width of the page in the live preview on the right. Take a quick look to make sure everything still looks good. Your text, images, and sections should all be aligned the way you want. If it looks how you expect, it's time to save your changes. Go to the top right corner of the Elementor editor and click either Update if this is an existing page, or Publish if you're working on a new one. Once that's done, your WordPress page using Elementor is now set to full width.